Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be doing something very simple. I like to call it my simple but tasty broccoli. The good thing about broccoli is that it's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K. It's a rich source of folic acid and also a very good source of fiber. Come with me as we make this. I know for sure you will like it. Please, if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Thank you. You will be needing, of course, some broccoli. What I've done here is that I've pre-washed it and I soaked it in a bit of warm water, not hot, warm water, because this helps get rid of worms in case it has some worms. We need some onion slices, black pepper, vegetable oil, and some salt. Like I said, I've been soaking this in water for about 10 minutes now, and I'm going to drain this into a colander to get rid of the water. I've been able to sieve out the water, and right here we have just our broccoli in a colander. So right now I've been heating up a cast iron skillet. You can use whatsoever skillet you have. So I'm going to be adding the oil into the skillet, then we'll be adding the onions. You can also add on a touch of that garlic in this recipe. It's completely optional, but that depends totally on you. Today I'll be cooking without the garlic. So the first thing that goes into my cast iron skillet is of course our vegetable oil. It's already hot, so I'll be adding on the onions. So I'm going to add on a bit of salt right now. Just a very simple, basic recipe, but what gives it the flair is the taste of the onions that has been sauteed in a little bit of oil. So I'm going to cook this until it becomes translucent, and we'll add on our black pepper, then the broccoli goes in. As we can see, our onions has just become translucent. I'm going to be adding on a bit of black pepper, just to sprinkle will do. Give that a stir. And then our broccoli will be going in. So we'll give it a good stir. And put the onions from the mix. So I'm going to add on just a little bit of water so that this cooks through quickly. Just a splash of water. I'm going to cover it up so that it can steam through. This will cook for just a couple of minutes, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So after about a minute, that's what our broccoli looks like. You can see how beautiful the color is. Really bright green, and that's how I enjoy my broccoli. I like it a bit crunchy. You could cook a little bit further if you would like it to become a little bit softer, but this is perfect for me. So I will be dishing this out so that you can see how I serve it. So usually I like to serve my broccoli with just a little bit of rice and probably some fish fillet. But this depends completely on what you have at hand. You could serve this with anything at all. It could be the side of any meal and it will go very well. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the subscribe button. And give us a thumbs up if you do like this video. Thank you.